Okay, here I am working on this Cobalt, I think it is. It's like a 2008 or something, and this kid driving it, he drove out in front of a car, or a car around a stop sign or something, and hit it, tore that big piece of metal right off the side of it, and kind of opened it up like a can opener. Well, you can see they got the door too, and I pulled that out pretty good. It's pretty wrinkled right in there too, but I think I'm gonna be able to save that door. Well, my helper's checking it out now. But Kirby, come on out of there. And I got to, you can see when it got hit, it tore a big piece of metal right out of the bottom of the door. So I got to fabricate something there. And then I'll pop that door open again. And then you see when it took that hit like that, you can see where it finds all the thin metal. Tore that right open. Well, the guy is like, "Can you fabricate me a panel for that?" And I'm like, "Oh boy." And but I'm gonna pull it all out and see what I have after it's pulled out. And then you can see I drilled a hole and put a bolt in there and pulled it out there, and it was really caved in. I pulled it out about 4 inches right there, and it fits against the door pretty good now. But that's in about 4 inches there too. I got to pull all that out, but we're gonna see what I got after I pull that out. Okay, here I got I used a piece of cardboard to make a pattern, and then I had this old hood, and I'm using that for the sheet metal. Yeah, it's taking a little bit of doing, but I'm going to try to make a panel for that car over there. Yeah, I got everything pretty much pulled out now. The door shuts pretty good. This panel here was really bent, and I pulled that out. You can see how everything kind of tore when they got in the crash. It's all rusted out here, and you can see I've been it kind of makes you wonder if it's worth fixing or not. But it's, you throw the car away, it's about all else you can do. But yeah, she's pretty wrecked. I'm just keep on plugging away. So yeah, I got this thing painted now. It's didn't turn out too bad. The gap on the door over on this side isn't that great, but it's still, like I say, this thing really got wrecked. And my helper's out here on a nice day, but yeah, it's not too bad. Like I say, the gap here isn't that great. You can see it kind of sticks out there a little bit. I had to pull off that piece of tape I put on there. I had to paint the inside of the door a little bit. And I painted this stuff a little bit too. So, but there you go. So.